Hi friends, I am Sajat and welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the display quality between the Honor 9X device and the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So subscribe to my channel guys, SciTech Guru, for more interesting videos and comparison videos in the future. So first let me talk about the display specifications of both the phones. So as you can see here, the Honor 9X has a pop-up selfie here. So there is no notch on the screen in the Honor 9X device. And in the Redmi Note 8 Pro, you get a small notch guys on the top of here. So in terms of the media consumption, I can feel the Honor 9X is very good. So there is no display interface interfering in the notch when you can see in the Redmi Note 8 Pro, as you can see here. So same kind of phones I got used to that full screen experience like Realme X device and the Redmi K20 Pro and K20. So a lot of phones are trying to use the pop-up selfie. I'm not sure why the Redmi is still using the notch phones here. So this is overall physical difference between both the phones. So in terms of the display specifications, so let me go deeper guys here. So as you can see here, the Honor 9X uses different kind of screen technology here. So LTPS IPS LCD panel. So whereas the Redmi Note 8 Pro uses the same IPS LCD display, but this is not the LTPS panel like the Honor 9X device. So in terms of the screen size, you can see there's a minute difference guys, 6.59 inches to the 6.3 inches in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So even in terms of the resolution, both are same 1080p as you can see here. So the Redmi Note 8 Pro has got advantage of HDR mode, as you can see here. So I've done a video on that demonstrating the HDR video support in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So do check the links in description if you want to watch that video. So these are overall difference in terms of the display specifications. So now let me play the same video, 4K video in the Honor 9X device in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So we'll get to know what colors are best in which mobile. So right now I'm trying to play the same video in both the phones, 4K video at 30 frames per second. So as you can see here, clearly the Honor 9X phone has got a little bit high saturated colors than the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So whereas in the Redmi Note 8 Pro, you feel not that good colors. So when compared with the Honor 9X device, as you can see here, so where I increase the brightness fully in both the phones, as you can see. So let me pause the video and let me compare the colors side by side. So as you can see guys, in terms of the brightness, so you feel little bit dull colors, not that brighter, as you can see. But in the Honor 9X device, this is not the case. So you feel a lot more better colors than the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So the colors are a little more high saturated and it added extra brightness to the screen, as you can see. So let me continue the video again. So as you can see here guys, clearly, so I can feel the colors are a little bit more better in the Honor 9X device. So even the skin tone colors, as you can see here. So overall guys, I like the display of the Honor 9X device. So even there is no notch in the Honor 9X device, so it feels very good watching the movies in the full screen experience without any disturbances like notch here in the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So overall, comment below guys which is your favorite display in terms of the colors and reproduction. So these are overall side-by-side comparison. The same kind of test I did with the Realme X device as well, comparing the Redmi Note 8 Pro and Honor 9X also with the Realme X. So Realme X has a AMOLED display. As you can see the viewing angles of both the phones. So overall guys, in terms of the display, the Honor 9X is a clear winner. So because there is no notch and any other disturbances on the screen, and even in terms of the color reproduction also, the Honor 9X is very good. So colors are more saturated than the Redmi K20 Pro. So overall addition of the LTPS, I think it helped the Honor 9X to produce more colors. So that's it guys, it's a quick comparison between the display of the Honor 9X versus the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So for more videos like this, subscribe to my channel guys. So don't forget to comment below which is your favorite display. See you in the next video guys. Bye.